If you are doing wrong to the people and you pray to Allah, Allah forgive me, Allah will not forgive you. Because you have to ask sorry to people you wrong. You go to someone and you say bad words to that person. And now you come to Salah, Allah forgive me, I speak bad word to that person. Allah will not forgive you. Allah said, no, go and ask sorry to that person, you speak the bad word. You slap someone, and now you come to the and Allah forgive me, I slap someone. Allah will say, no, I will not forgive you. Go to that person, ask him the sorry. If he forgives you, then I forgive you. That is the system of Allah. There are sins between us and Allah, hukukullah. This Allah can forgive whatever He likes. But there are other rights between called hukukul ibad, our rights with the people, and Allah is not going to forgive those rights unless the people forgives you. We have rights for our parents, we have rights for our wives, our children, for the women, rights to their husband, for the men, rights to their wives, to their children, brothers, sisters, uncles, aunties, grandparents, relatives, all neighbors and friends and all the people of the world. We have rights. And if you cannot fulfill those rights, then you have to ask them to forgive us. Because there are rights of Allah and there are rights of people. If you have between you and Allah the rights which you are supposed to give to worship Allah, to obey His commandments, and if you not fulfill something, you can ask Allah sorry. Allah is very easy to get sorry from Allah. Very easy to ask forgiveness and very easy to get forgiveness from Allah. More difficult to get forgiveness from the people. So when you did wrong to the people, Allah is very just. He will not forgive you unless you ask to people who you wrong. When you wrong to the people, you must ask them the forgiveness because you wrong to them. And if they forgive you, and that's the time Allah is going to forgive you. So these are the two kinds of rights. Rights of Allah between Allah and His slave, and there are the rights which called hukukul ibad, rights between the slaves, rights between the people. So that is very important for us to always look after, always to do good. This life is for test. We are here to complete the test. So in the next life we can be saved from the hellfire and not to go to hellfire and to go in paradise, which is our life forever.